Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use UPI Circle in GPay. This feature is designed to make managing shared expenses with friends, family, or colleagues incredibly simple. It helps you track who owes what and facilitates easy settlements. We will go through the steps to set up your first circle, add members, and start managing your group finances effortlessly, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. To create your UPI Circle, first open your GPay app and tap on the New Payment button. Look for the UPI Circle option and select Start a New Circle. You will then be prompted to give your circle a name, perhaps Vacation Fund or Roommate Bills. After naming it, you can easily add members by choosing them from your phone's contacts or by sharing a unique invitation link with them. Once your circle is active, managing payments is straightforward. You can easily add shared expenses, like a dinner bill or a group gift, and the app will automatically split the costs among members. It also tracks who has paid and who owes what, providing a clear overview. When it is time to settle, you can send or request money directly within the circle, making reconciliation quick and transparent for all. Using UPI Circle offers numerous benefits, primarily simplifying group finance management. It removes the need for complex spreadsheets or awkward conversations about money, providing a clear, digital record of all transactions. For best practices, communicate clearly with your circle members about expenses and payment deadlines. This ensures smooth operations and helps maintain harmony within your group, making shared financial responsibilities much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.